to make an intro, how to make a troll level for your friends. So here's the levels that I have made so far. I mean, this one uses a Stereo Madness song, which is actually pretty hard. Come on, I think I might have just one attempted it. This was actually pretty hard. Oh. Come on. Tell me that I just one attempted this. Oh, 58%. Okay, that's actually really hard. Cube challenge is actually also pretty hard. See, people think it's impossible, but it's not. You just gotta be skilled. Just wanted to show you that. But none of these other levels actually ever matter. But today we are going to be making a troll level. And we're gonna go teach you guys how to troll your friends, and yeah. So first things first, you gotta troll your friends. You have to use invisible blocks. So let's just zoom out here for a minute. So in case you do know how to use invisible blocks, great. But the people that don't, here's what you're gonna do. Place an alpha trigger. There's the alpha with the blue thing. Then you click edit object, group ID, whatever group ID the object is. Let's just put it as 6. The fade time is how quickly it'll fade. If you wanted to keep it completely invisible from the end, you're gonna put it on 0, and the opacity is gonna be full, and that's gonna be 0. So that way, it's going to be there's gonna be nothing showing. It's gonna be invisible, but it's still gonna be there. Now you keep on moving it before. Now let's say if we put a invisible spike, like edit object, no, edit group as group 6, right? And then we add the group ID 6. Then once we deselect it, it disappears. And see, you can do it. Now let's go change the song. Let's do the song that every generic extreme demon does. At the speed of light. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun. Okay, so this is going to be a troll level for your friends. Now, I'm just going to go select delete that spike right there. So what we are going to do to start out for the first cube part troll is we are going to build this, and then we are going to put, let's see if we can find the arrows in the decoration section. Yeah, so right here we're gonna say this right there, and then we're gonna go put the stop arrow up there. We're just gonna go delete that. Now watch this. So we're gonna go up here. We're gonna go put these portals, but then we're gonna go oops. Now we're just gonna go move that portal like really high up, like up there, and then we're just gonna go make it a strip part. Even better, a dual mini ship part. Okay, so that's going to be the part we're going to play. Now down here, okay, so all of that and all those would be in group 6, and then if we deselect them, they're gone, but they're still going to be there. This is not toggle. So then we're going to go put these right down here, and we're going to go make these also invisible. So then when they play, when they play it, it's so funny. So they have to go, jump. So let's just actually try to play this. And look, see. Okay, so then now that we actually completed it, I messed up. There. Now that we have where they are, let's just make another troll, okay? So then right in front of them is going to be this double, no, this wall right here. So, and just so you guys know, I will upload this at the end of the video, and we are going to go, and I'll tell you what it's called. I'll give you the level ID, so you can use this to troll your friends as well. Okay, so see. Okay, so now we're right here. Now, actually, if we go right there, we're gonna go do something else. We're gonna go so we're gonna go edit these. We're gonna go make the group ID 4, and then we are going to go put a move trigger right here, and it's gonna be, and the X will be like, I don't care, 100. Okay, so now then when you get up here, see? Oh no, we have to go put it like right here. Oh, I don't. Ugh. Look, see, and they move over there. So then that way, if we just put now, we're gonna go put we're gonna go put an invisible key right there. Edit group. Okay, so that key is going to be invisible, and then these blocks are also going to be invisible right here. So that way, all you've got to and we're just gonna go make them. So to go make these copy and paste go down, and then we're gonna go. I just delete all those, and then we're gonna go put all these as also group ID 6, and some of them will also be group ID 4. So wait, you know what? Just let's just go undo everything we just did over there. So okay, there. Now we have it. Okay, so those. Okay, this is gonna be tough. But if you just wait on the bottom, I'm going to do this, and then this will lead you to that. Keep in mind this will all be invisible in a minute, and then that key will make so if we put a toggle on that key, toggle just makes the blocks. I'm gonna go edit 5, and I believe I forget how toggle works again. 5, then we're gonna go edit it. It's gonna be touch triggered, and then if we go this over here, edit group, these are all going to be group ID 5. Okay, so now. Wait, some of these are 5? Oh, whatever. Fine, they will all be 6. Fine, now let's play this level. Wait, what? Did you see this? Wait, no. Seriously, try this. You almost go, no. No, I want to make, no, I want to make an even bigger troll. No. Okay, so, I'm gonna stop. It only does it sometimes. Okay, no, okay. So if we do it a few times, okay, oh no. Oh, or you can just hit it late, but, okay, sorry, I'm just failing so much. Okay, now we see that. Now, if we move them down at teeny bit. There. Now let's go try to play this level. And you go right through the spike. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then yeah, basically it's a short little troll level that you're gonna do, and yeah, but I don't know how much time we've did, but I'm just gonna go do something extra because that's kind of tiny. I'm actually gonna beat the first level in the Shadow Gauntlet. Spooky Light by Sir Punch. Here we go. One attempt. Let's go. I want to go one attempt this. Okay. Okay, people. Beware. We're gonna one attempt it. Oh no, it's so creepy. So creepy besides the fact that I'm gonna one attempt this level. Eh. Alright, and he dies on like an easy part. I mean, there's no real extra hard parts. Sir Punch, in my opinion, is a great creator. Funny game's better though. Okay. I like the boss fight. I'm not a good boss fight player. What? Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna go beat the first level with the Fire Gauntlet, okay? Because I'm not good at boss fights. Outer Space? Let's go. Let's do this. I actually haven't played this level yet. Okay. So far pretty easy. How is this 5 stars? Oh, and Viprin is triggered. Okay, very funny. Okay, just because Viprin doesn't get the first level, the first map pack doesn't mean he's triggered. He's still the best creator in the whole game. I hate the upside down UFO part. It's so... I'm a horrible upside down UFO player, just in case you didn't know. Come on. We got this in the bag. How do you even get that coin? Okay. Oof, you know what? That level is like this level, Flappy Hexagon, but I'm gonna keep on trying that level, whatchamacallit, Outer Space. 2 more attempts on it because, yeah, I don't want to make the video too long. So we had some bonus content. At the end, this is my last attempt, sorry. And then I will upload Troll with 1L, and I will tell you guys the level ID. And guys, please comment the next video idea. I'm sort of running out of ideas. And please subscribe and like. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and like if you're returning or new, because why shouldn't you? Just be a nice person, okay? Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what I should do next. I will be picking one lucky person from the comment section and taking their video to do next. In the summertime, I'll try to be uploading daily, and in other times, I have other things to do, so, yeah. I won't be uploading as often then. So, summer is a time where you're actually going to be getting the most content. Okay, let's time to upload Droll. Okay, it's verified. We're going to go upload it. I'm going to go request 10 stars. Requesting stars is nothing. We're going to go to allow the copy. And then, share the level. Okay, so here is the level ID. It's going to be on the screen in white in a minute, but here's what it's going to be. Here's it right now, just so you have it audioly. 56, 38, 29, 21. 56, 38, 29, 21. That's actually, yeah. Okay, now, or you can just, let's see. And I'm going to be the first person to beat it, because nobody's played it yet. And then we're going to go like it, okay? Because we did it. One attempt. And I'm not using no clip, I swear, because you've seen me die before. And that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.